Hello everyone, we will be seeing IBM Bluemix. We are Team Script Kiddies. So what is IBM Bluemix? It is a platform for running virtually any application in the cloud without having to worry about the hardware, software and networking needed to do so. It is a platform as a service PaaS. Bluemix is similar to other platforms like Heroku, Google Cloud Environment and OpenShift. So we all know Bluemix is an open and versatile cloud innovation platform. So it has four major components, which is compute, dev tooling, location service. Compute is about choose the level of infrastructure abstraction based on your app's architecture needs. From editor to source code management to continuously delivery, you can choose Bluemix powerful tooling or easily bring your own by using dev tooling. For location, deploy apps to Bluemix public in a growing number of goes. Your own dedicated cloud. Bluemix are one that runs with your local center and services pick from a catalog of IBM third-party open source or your own services to extend your app. So how does Bluemix works? Bluemix is underlined by three key open computing technologies, which are Cloud Foundry, Docker, and OpenStack. It extends each of these with a growing number of services, robust DevOps, tooling, integration capabilities, and a seamless developer experience. So it's the screen of the IBM Bluemix screen. It has DevOps tooling, your own hosted apps or services, integration and API management, catalog of services that extend app functionality like web, data, mobile, cognitive, analytics, IoT, security, etc. Flexible compute option to run apps or services. Platform deployment option that meet your workload requirements like Bluemix public, Bluemix dedicated, Bluemix local. So how does the Bluemix fits into this constraints? Bluemix runs on top of soft layer. So there will be three layers, your apps, Bluemix, and below that is soft layer. Owned apps run on top of Bluemix and has no knowledge about soft layer. So this is the architecture of Bluemix. It consists of your app at top level, PaaS, platform as service Bluemix at middle layer, and IaaS, infrastructure as a service, a soft layer at bottom of the layer. So how does IoT is used in Bluemix? So these are the five major things to be considered for IoT in Bluemix, which are connect, collect, manage, assemble, and getting started. So these five major things are considered as main in IoT for Bluemix. So we can see the manage, assemble, collect, connect are integrated in cloud with the use of mobile technologies and IoT devices. These are combined with real-time MQTT, REST, and simple APIs and built to display the features. So IBM Internet of Things Foundation is a fully managed cloud host services that makes it simple to derive value from in IoT devices. So connecting device, the first major task is to connect devices. So the devices are sensors and the collection of sensors. So we can see the network as MQTT for Oasis, and where sensors is an open source MQTT based client sensor. And then next is connecting application. So we have to connect the devices to the application by publishing the same MQTT, access control with application register and key, compose with other IoT services in Bluemix using app tips. And the next step is to collect data. So after connecting the devices and application, we have to collect data. So it can be real-time data, and then managing the IoT services. So remotely monitor the connectivity of the device, see the last message and disable device and application connection, stand up the services in seconds, free entry point to get started, pay based on usage, scale up and down with load. And then we have to assemble this management and control of IoT. So Bluemix IoT Foundation started boilerplate for getting going quickly. For use of with real devices or a simulator, use Node-RED to assemble the flows. So we can assemble using softwares also. So these are the end-to-end services. So IoT end-to-end solutions, connected application solutions, smart home solutions are connected to IoT related Bluemix services, and then IoT foundation later connected to devices and gateways using REST APIs and MQTT APIs. And then final is to get started. So get started is the accumulation of all these steps, so which will be showing your results in the output format. So IoT, a fully packed IoT is in the power board experience with Bluemix, where the board consists of commutators, plans, officials, and race teams, which are connected to IoT devices to get alerts, temporary data, and then implement this in Python runtime simulator called Telemetry Simulator app to get a better experience of the power board. So let's see what are the benefits of IBM Bluemix. So it can be deployed in seconds and not in weeks. No need to talk to anyone else. It can run in any environment like Java, Node.js, Ruby, Python, Go. Easily integrated with any third-party services or API, open source and runtime platform. Infrastructure as a service independent, runs in the cloud or on premise. So being developer is a hard time because we have to wait till the code gets compiled. So this IBM Bluemix makes it easier. So it will take seconds of time to compile the code. So where each developer don't worry about wasting time or how to kill time. So thank you.